Hello viewers, welcome to Option Trading की दुनिया. In this episode, let me bring to you the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for the trading day 27th May 2022. So before I proceed with my presentation, let me tell my viewers, those who want to open their demat and trading account, Upstock is a leading stockbroker and a trustworthy broker. You can open your account free of cost. So now straight away let me come to my presentation. First let me focus on the Nifty open interest. What has happened to Nifty open interest positions. So as you see on the screen, the maximum pain is at 16,300. 16,300 is the maximum pain where the market is rightly positioned now. Now calls and puts are written at different levels. You can see even 15,800 put is written, 16,000 put has got big positions here. Then we have got 16,500 call has got maximum positions. Okay, so that's it on Nifty. So right now the market is slightly above 16,300. So if the market progresses upwards, there's a chance that it can go as high as 16,500. 16,500 is a possibility, and on the lower side 16,000 is going to be a big resistance. So 16,000, so this is the bar indicating 16,000. So highest call rating is at 16,500, highest put rating is at 16,000. So range for the market in the rest of the month is between 16,000 to 16,500. Now let me come to what has happened during the morning trade today. I'll focus on change in open interest. So you can see the change in open interest on your screen. So as you see, you can see highest call and put writing has happened at 16,300. So 16,300, the highest thing has happened. Now, what should be your strategy in Nifty for today? Okay, if you have sufficient margin, you can sell 16,300 calls and puts, but selling requires a lot of money. Okay, so now as we progress further in my presentation, today the view for Nifty is the levels are 16,000 is crucial on the lower side, 16,500 is on the higher side. So now let me come to the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is the very liquid counter. Most of the traders take part in Bank Nifty options. Okay, so now as we see the first, let me go to the open interest. Yeah, open interest in Bank Nifty. So where do you see the highest open interest? On the call side it is 36,000. 36,000 call is written, and we can also see the next 35,400. 35,400 call also is written, and on the put side you can see the maximum put writing is at 35,000. 35,000 is going to act as a strong support, and 35,400 is going to be a resistance on the upper side. If it crosses that, then the resistance on the upper side is 36,000. So these are the open interest levels. So maximum positions on call 35,400. If that crosses, that resistance breaks, then we have got 36,000. And on the lower side, the maximum support, the highest put rating is at around 35,000. If that breaks, then we can see the lower levels as low as 34,500. So that is here. So now let me come to what has happened during the day, the morning trade now, the first 1 hour trade. Yes. So that is change in open interest. for you on the screen. Yeah, so you can see the change in open interest. You can see the positions, the highest changes happened on put side, that is around 35,500. Let me mark. So 35,500 and next 35,400. So these are going to be supports, 35,300, 35,200, and on the call side also we have got 35,500, 35,400. So 35,400, 35,500 are going to be major resistances, and 35,500 is the support. So all these are crucial levels. Now Bank Nifty is 35,500. So 35,500 is a major support. Then lower at every level we have got, at every 100 points below we have got supports, and even 35,400 open interest has changed. Some people have taken call positions. So 35,500 is going to be a major resistance or a major hurdle. So that is what we have on the open interest positions. So now let me come to the client wise derivative positions. Yeah, so as you can see on the screen, bring this one downwards. See FIIs, what they have done on 26th of May. So FIIs on 26th of May, uh, index they are long, sorry, index they are short, 81,805 contracts. So they are short on futures. Also in options they are on the long side. So they are shorts, they are hedging using options, and call and put short almost equal. Then when you see the total long contracts of FIIs, it's total long contract uh, we have 19 lakh 9,872. So long contracts are higher than the shorts. So now let me bring to you the position of professional traders. Professional traders are put long, yeah, and call long and short, call short and put short almost equal. Then when it comes to retail clients, so retail clients almost call side and put side equal positions. The view is range bound, very neutral view. So now let me come to the other aspect of FII data. Okay, so that is on the screen now. Yes, so as you can see, FIIs, this is only the FII positions. On the derivative side, number of contracts buy, number of contracts sell. Yeah, what you can see is index futures almost buy side dominating. Index options, we have again options buying calls and puts dominating. Stock futures again buy dominate. Stock options, even buy is dominating. So open interest you can see very high open interest in stock futures. Yeah, net to net FIIs are neutral to positive in the derivatives. Now let me close this and go back to the all important FII data from NSC. Yes, so let me show you the FII data. You can see FIIs were net sellers on 26 to the tune of minus, that is selling 1,597 crores, and DIs were buyers, so they purchased around 2,906. Yesterday was a expiry day, and today we have positions for the next week. So DIs are buyers. So today's market has opened on a positive note. Yeah, let us move further in our presentation. Okay, now I have the all important Nifty and Bank Nifty screen. So we have first Nifty screen. Yes, if you see the Nifty screen, yeah. So what do you see on the Nifty screen? Okay, market has opened higher today. Uh, if you are seeing the pivots, central pivot at around 16,103. So this is central pivot. Then on the upper side of the pivot, 16,152. So it's already marked. Then we have got the lower range of the pivot is 16,053. So market opened just above the first resistance. So first resistance is around 16,300. So markets are trading in that range now, 16,300. So next major resistance is 16,402. Okay, if the markets take out convincingly 16,300, and if there are one or two, three candles are formed, green candles above, then we can trade long for a target of 16,402. Always keep a strict stop loss. Okay, so now you can see if the market breaks 16,152 and trades lower, then there is a chance that the market can test 16,100. So what you should do is on dips to 16,152 you can buy. Okay, if the market does not sustain above 16,300, there is a chance that market can drop to 16,152, and the central pivot is at around 16,102. The best trade for today is buy on dips to 16,152, but if the market breaks 16,152, then be cautious. Next, I am going to the all important bank Nifty chart. Okay, now we have got the bank Nifty chart on your screen. So even bank Nifty chart is indicating a good opening. It is also trading above the first resistance, 35,480, as you can see here. So if the market sustains above 35,480, there is a chance that we may have 35,746 on the screen. And as we studied in the open interest position, 35,500 is going to be a major hurdle. Okay, so if 35,500 breaks convincingly, then you can trade long in bank Nifty for a target of 35,746. But if does not sustain above 35,480, there's a chance that Nifty can dip to 35,072. So how do you position? Since FIIs, DIIs are indicating neutral to positive stance, so on dips near to 35,400 or 35,300, you can buy bank Nifty for a target of 35,746. But 35,500 is going to be a major hurdle. So that is what we have on Nifty and bank Nifty for the trading day 27th May 2022. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share. It will be a motivator for me to bring many more videos on option trading. So thank you.